my name is Sarah Mastero, and I will be delivering a speech on Carside Carryout Etiquette. You're driving home late one night, you check your clock radio, and you realize it's way too late to go home and cook dinner. So you decide to stop at a local restaurant and pick up Carside Carryout. You're not sure what you or your significant other would like, so you stop in to see the Carside employee. They review the specials with you, and you make your final decision. You place your order and wait in the car until your food is ready. About 20, maybe 25 minutes later, your Carside employee arrives with your food in hand and asks you to sign the bill, and you're on your way to enjoy a wonderful meal. The question at hand is, did you practice proper Carside etiquette? We need to understand proper Carside etiquette before we order or pick up our food. The first question you need to ask yourself is, did you call in your order ahead of time? The second question is, did you park in a reserved Carside carryout spot? And the third question is, did you or should you tip your Carside carryout employee? Let me begin by explaining to you what exactly Carside Carryout is. Carside Carryout is a new generation of food service brought to you by local restaurants to provide convenience and food quality at your home. Convenience factor is very important if you have small children and don't want to bring them out to the restaurant, or if you have an elderly family member and it is inconvenient for you to leave the house. You are still able to get a nice quality dinner at home. The quality is the same at home as if you eat in a restaurant. The portion sizes are the same. You still have a bright smiling face taking your order, bagging up your food to make sure it's perfect, and bringing it to you. The process of Carside Carryout is very simple. You need to decide what you want to order, call in your order, and then pick it up and enjoy a wonderful dinner. Let me explore the processes of Carside Carryout. The first, and very important to ensure that your food is correct and you get it in a timely manner, is to make sure that you know what you'd like to decide to eat before you call in your order. If you need to find out the specials, you can call in the restaurant, ask about the specials. However, don't place your order at that exact time. Take a minute to think about them before you place your order. Review them with your family. Second is to always remember that there are other customers on hold, and it is not fair to take 10 minutes to place your order when the customer waiting in line next to you on the phone line may practice Carside etiquette and may only take about 5 minutes to place their order. Always remember to speak clearly. If you are in a bar or have children or loud dogs around you, remember to excuse yourself. Go to a quiet spot so you can be heard. Always remember to concentrate on what you want to order. Make sure you have your side items and if you want a soup or a salad in mind before you order. Always ask your Carside employee to repeat the order back to you. That way you are ensured that you have exactly what you would like. Make sure you call in your order. Don't just show up and place your order. It's very hard for a Carside employee to be in two places at once. When you're answering phones and someone comes in, you have to turn around and walk around, and it just takes more time. So to ensure that everything is in a timely manner, make sure you call ahead like suggested. To ensure that your food quality is of the highest standard, don't forget to allow time for cooking. Carside Carryout orders average between 20 and 30 minutes to cook. Every order is cooked to order. Therefore, you must allow the proper time and arrive on time. If you arrive early, you may take up a Carside Carryout parking spot that someone whose food is ready may have to walk in or possibly drive around and wait until your spot is available. And, on the contrary, if you show up late, your food may be cold and the quality and service will definitely be decreased. So, to ensure the best quality of service and the freshest food, make sure you're there on time. Also remember that the quote time that you are given is not relative to the size of your order, but it is relative to the order in which it is received. Therefore, if an order in front of you has 4 fillets and you just order a chicken salad sandwich, it is very possible that the order with 4 fillets may be ready before your chicken salad sandwich. Just always keep that in mind. Finally, let's consider the subject of tipping. According to payscale.com, the wage for Florida servers is $3.49. That's all, just $3.49. This applies to Carside Carryout employees as well. Therefore, if you were to look at 40 hours a week as an average salary, that's only $139.60. That is not nearly enough to pay bills or even substantially enough to survive. Therefore, you need to tip your Carside employees. That way, they, like you, have an equal chance. And Carside employees also work the same amount as the server inside the restaurant. They still take your order, they bag it up and make sure everything is perfect and how you would like it, and they bring it to your car with a smiling face so you don't even have to move. So, in conclusion, this new generation of Carside Carryout is springing up all over every city in the United States of America. And I hope with my speech, I have now prepared you with the proper knowledge of being an excellent Carside Carryout customer. So remember, next time you're driving home and you just happen to look at your radio and you realize that you don't have time to cook dinner, first, make sure you call in your order. Second, make sure you arrive and park at the Carside Carryout spot on time. And third, remember to tip accordingly. Thanks for listening to my speech.